Hi lovelies, I'm going to show you this nice set of winter Gonk nails today. So the Gonks I'm using stickers and the winter nails, the colours are 4 colours from the Glam 25 January collection from Madam Glam. So this should be out on the 4th of January. So yeah, winter nails still and some cute little Gonks. So let's get cracking. This one is Times Square, so it's a lovely purple. So this, yeah, like I said, Glam 25. So Madam Glam swatches, they're always lovely polishes to use, and I've got a discount code in the description box, or you can join the VIP if you want to save even more money. So that one was Times Square. This one is Frosted Lavender. So a lovely lilac. They tone really well together, these. Oh, that's a perfect winter colour, I think. It's muted. It's very nice. Yeah. Lovely. 60-second cure and winter mist. If you've not had Madam Glam before, they're all vegan, cruelty free, 21 free from your hammer free and palm oil free. I've not got many greens actually in Madam Glam. This one's lovely. It's sagey. If you can hear my tummy rumbling, it's because I've got the slow cooker on and I've got some meatballs in and I can smell them. It's making me hungry. Now this is a no wipe top coat and it's called Sparkle On. So it's got lots of bits of glitter in it. So you can put this over the top of any colour. So if you do your swatch stick on a clear, then you can hold it over your other colours and have a look at it. Yeah, big bits and tiny bits. So I'll show you this over those other colours in a sec. So you should only need 1 coat of it. Oh, that's nice. I like that on its own. Can you see? It's a bit bright, this light, isn't it? Turn it down a bit. Try that. That's a bit better. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. So they're all the colours. They're top coated, aren't they? Lovely. And that on its own. So over the top of the other colours, I think it's beautiful. That's over the green, the purple, and over the lilac. Yeah. Really brings a little difference to it. Okay, so what we're going to do... So I've got Eve set up with some long square tips, and I'm just going to give it, just to save buffing them, I'm going to give it a coat of non-acid nail primer. So just a thin coat and it's air dry. So about 60 seconds. So now it's a base coat for all of them as well. Rub that in. So this index finger I'm going to do is all this green, which is the winter mist. And then I'm going to paint it with a liner brush for a sort of plaid. So I'm going to have some Times Square and Frosted Lavender. So I'm a slightly thicker brush. is frosted lavender. Good twirl. There we go. Bit wider. Yeah. And then a narrow. That'll do. And just flash that. Now this purple. Another freeze. And a couple of little white stars. These middle two are going to both be in frosted lavender, and I'm going to use some Gonk stickers from Winter Gonks. So I'm going to put these stickers on, so I'm just going to wipe off this tacky layer. I've only done one coat because this is for demonstration, and I think it's adequate for these anyway, but it's up to you. For longevity, probably put 2 coats on. And I've got these little gonks. So there's this like lantern here, which I think is quite nice. I'm going to try and use this one. So I'll put this one at the side of this. Come on. There. That's it. That's that. And then a little tiny gonk, I think. Which one? Actually, I quite like this little fella with reindeer. He's got reindeer ears. Antlers, should I say. Well, and ears. Come off. That's going to go down there. That's that. And I'd spotted this little fella with the snow globe. I think he's nice. I'm going to put some white. I'll put some white underneath. That's it. A little bit on the top. Little bits. That. So they've got the snow, Times Square on here. And then the opposite colours on this one, so I need a bit of green. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll put your playlist on at the end if you want to go and have a look at some other nail designs. And these are fairly easy, beginner friendly, I think, apart from straight lines, which you could always cheat and use striping tape if you wanted. So yeah, very cute, lovely colours. Still smashing winter colours, I think. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Love you loads. Bye.